If you want to permanently delete your WhatsApp account, follow these simple steps to ensure that your data is removed from the platform. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into the account you wish to delete. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner for Android or the Settings tab at the bottom right for iPhone to access the Settings menu. Step 3. Select Account. In the Settings menu, find and select the Account option. This will take you to account-related settings. Step 4. Delete My Account. Scroll down and tap on Delete My Account. You will be prompted to enter your phone number in the full international format. Step 5. Confirm deletion. After entering your phone number, tap on the Delete My Account button. Confirm your choice when prompted to finalize the deletion process. Once you complete these steps, your WhatsApp account will be permanently deleted and all your data will be removed from the platform. Remember that this action cannot be undone, so make sure you really want to proceed.